Guys, how are you? So today we're gonna look at our favorite BTC and gold. So if I go on the daily, let's quickly see what kind of support and resistances are we working with. So you see, I see some resist to support here, right here, and also I see support on the daily. See what? Look at that. Look at that. And that is exactly where the market has come and stood. Have you seen that movie, the day when the earth stood still? Keanu Reeves. So that's exactly where it's standing. I see. Okay, here. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at all that support. And what else? On the downside, let's draw those lines. Ooh. See that? See that, my friends? That how the market has kind of retested itself. And you know what? Even, yeah. Oh my God. I'm going to use the red one. Because now that we have shifted on the daily, red is our color. And on the downside now, what do I see? Yep, a lot of support and resistance right here, where it can stop for, for a little bit. Now, let's quickly go on the hourly and 30-minute zones to see how we're going to trade this thing. Now, again, on the hourly, I see all these zones. Look at that. Look at that. And you know that for our 1 hour, our color, I've changed that to my favorite purple dye color. Now it's on an upside, I must say. It's gone up, and the trend lines don't lie. And the trend line tells me that look at all these points. Look at all these points. And that makes me believe that this market wants to go up. So for now, me to on the hourly, I see this also. Look at that. It's a bit of a, that is what you call resistance, and it broke through, and it has made a double top right here, right? So now to trade this, how do you trade this? So there are two things to it now. Either it's going to come down or it's going to go up. What I see it's doing at this point is this. That's the, you know what, for the down one, let's use the red, and for up, let's use the green for more visual pleasing synopsis of this move. The color depiction is helps. These are the points which I see that will actually the zones where decision will be made. And if it just come here, then simply put, I would like to put my stop loss right here. And I would like to write this at least till here, here, and here. That's my game plan. I just told you my game plan. So this is the 1 hour zone. Let's just wait and see if we can get a nice downside movement. And on the upside again, as you can, I told you my trajectory. So that's Bitcoin for you. Now let's look at the gold side on the daily. How would we deal with the gold? Deal with the gold. Okay. Now, right away, what I see is a lot of resistance here, right here. Okay. And there is resistance here as well. See that? 2 points left and then here. So there's a lot of resistance and support here. Right now it's at a support 3,216. Then we have this point here and support right here. Market. And because you see, once the market starts to fall, it will be at these points, it will obey the market. At least what we think. We are very, very positive about the market, and we think good that it will obey the rules. Alrighty then. Now let's jump onto the hourly. What do we see? Let's take a quick closer look. Now see, oh, look at the trajectory. Trajectory that I see. Somewhat this. And just for the heck of it, ooh, A, B, C, D, E, F, and ooh, ooh. Guys. Now, this line goes then we are seeing some downhill movement. How would I trade this? I'll tell you right now. My stop loss right here. I'm gonna take profits. First profit would be here and here. It's one-on-one, but point is that it's like playing really safe. 1 to 1.5 ratio. As soon as it comes here, makes a double top kind of a position. Let's look at the trajectory here. The trajectory as it seems to be is this right here. That's a trajectory. Future trajectory. Ha! So yeah, that's what I think, guys. That's what I see in these markets as of now, because gold is still on the downside. And as soon as it breaks this line, it's gonna give us that confirmation that listen, it's ready to come down. Just hop on. You can very easily put your stop loss here as well. But then again, don't you want to write it out all the way? I mean, 27 to 4. That's a 2 weeks. If you really want to get into the nitty-gritty ways of things, then you can, as soon as it comes down, you can put a stop loss right here and then just write it out. And because there is strong resistance, so here as well. Strong resistance, so maybe put the stop loss right here above the resistance and let it write it out. So anyways, guys, this is what I see. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Happy trading. Talk to you soon.